Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and do the cold start here on the turbo. Probably about, I would say, definitely 2, maybe 3 days since I've started it. That's the completion of the cold start cycle. You can see we got new motor mount down there. I'm pretty sure that's reflected in the service invoices I have from the previous owner. Alright guys, so there you go. It's a great car. I have countless hours in the interior swap, so I hope she goes to a good home. If you have any questions, by all means, please let me know. Thank you.